Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session. The court is in session with its trial docket scheduled at 1:30 p.m. on this afternoon of today's date of April 4th, 2023. Court is calling cause numbers M330318 and cause number M330322. State, I have before me, and in the case of style, the state of Texas versus William Cole Feltman. State, I have before me 2 motions to dismiss in William Cole Felton's cases. Is that correct, State?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay. I've just signed the motions to dismiss cause numbers M330318 and cause number M330322 in the case of the state of Texas versus William Cole Felton. Next case is cause number M326650. Case is style the state of Texas versus Maria Figueroa.
If you could leave the first, we'll do right there in the chair.
Okay, for the record, your name is Maria Figueroa.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Figueroa?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Ms. Figueroa, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney James Padgett. Attorney Padgett, how are you doing?
Doing well, thank you, Your Honor.
And the state is represented by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm well, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Padgett, Ms. Figueroa's case is set on the court's jury trial docket. You have a motion?
Your Honor, well, I mean, I can go ahead and present my motion to move for an instructed verdict.
No. I'm saying in terms of, do you still want a jury trial?
Yes, sir. Well, no, Your Honor, we would ask for a bench trial at this time.
So you're waiving your right to a jury trial? Is that correct?
Johnson's okay with that.
And state, you waiving your right to a jury trial as well?
The state is as well, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Johnson, would you like to present the information?
I have a copy for the court.
Oh, I have a copy of it.
Okay.
Okay, state, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, sir.
Defense, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Johnson, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state of Texas versus Maria Figueroa. The information reads, in the name and by the authority of the state of Texas comes now the undersigned Assistant Criminal District Attorney of Jefferson County, Texas, on behalf of the state of Texas, and presents in and to the County Court of Law of Jefferson County, Texas, that in Jefferson County, Texas, Maria Figueroa, hereafter styled the defendant, heretofore on or about April the 20th, 2020, did then and there intentionally, knowingly, and recklessly cause bodily injury to another, namely Rodney Figueroa, hereafter styled the complainant by scratching complainant's arm with her fingernails. And at the time of said assault, complainant was a member of defendant's family against the peace and dignity of the statement.
Okay. Ms. Figueroa, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty,
Not guilty.
not guilty? Okay. State, would you like to have an opening statement?
The state waiver is open, the statement, Your Honor.
Defense?
We would waive our opening, Your Honor.
Okay. State, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Rodney Figueroa.
State, do you have any other witnesses?
The state has no further witnesses, Your Honor, and the state rests.
Okay. Defense, you have,
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we would move for an instructed verdict and ask that my client be found not guilty.
that motion will be granted. Ms. Figueroa, you have been acquitted of these charges. And In a few minutes, our court clerk is going to give you a judgment indicating that you were found not guilty. Okay, so you can have a seat, and once the clerk draft up the judgment and your attorney give you the judgment, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And, okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.